Start. Now come in mountain. Take a deep breath in mountain, expel your breath. Take your right leg up. Inhale here, exhale here. Now inhale, bring your right leg forward, sit in pigeon pose. Now because your right leg is forward, raise your left hand up. With left hand, raise your right hand up. If you're not able to raise both the hands, then definitely raise only right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, put your palms down. Now come in Ashwasanchalan with your right leg like this. Now start sliding your legs, take it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. If your hip is up, 5. It's a very long posture. 6. It puts so much of pressure on your shoulders. So please take care. 9 and 10. Now bring your right leg forward again. Put the left knee on the mat and make sure the front leg, knee and heel are in one line. Take your hip down. Take your hands back. Inhale Anjaneyasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring your palms down. Inhale here. Exhale here. Take your leg back in mountain. Now raise your left leg up. Inhale and exhale. Now inhale, bring your left leg forward, sit in pigeon with your right hand up. If you can raise left hand, definitely raise hand for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palms down. Now coming to Ashwasanchalan. Now take this leg back or change your leg or slide your leg. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your left leg forward, put the back leg knee on the mat or maybe over a pillow. Take your hip down and come into Anjaneyasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put your palms down. Inhale here. Exhaling mountain. Now from mountain, again start sliding. 1, 2, 3 or change your leg maybe. 4 or stay in mountain or maybe side stretch. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your right leg forward. Bend your left knee like this. Take your right leg out, come into Parigrah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can use weights also. 6 like this. 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms parallel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your hands down. Start sliding your legs in slope or maybe change your legs in Ashwasanchalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your left leg forward, bend your right knee, take your left leg out at the side, come into Parigrah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parallel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again slide your leg in slope in Ashwasanchalan or change your leg in Ashwasanchalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now from here, take a deep breath, come in mountain, hold mountain, inhale and exhale. Once you've exhaled the breath, come down on your belly, take your both hands back, come in Dhanurasana, hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release your leg up in the air, your both hands are out. Look towards the ground that is in front of you. Superman pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold weights in your hand or no weights in your hands. Your hands are back. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more. 9, 10. After this, keep your weights down. If you are carrying weights, take yourself up in Sarvasana, a very good posture for back pain people. 1, take your legs up. 2, in this posture, never raise your leg if you have cyst or fibroid or hernia. 6, 7, rest is okay to lift your chest, to lift your hands. 3, 2, 1. Palms down, legs down, inhale up in cobra. Exhale in mountain. Now from mountain, start turning it around. Come in tabletop. From this tabletop, gently sit on your hip. Come in half boat pose. If you want to use weights, you can use weights. Let's start. Hands are above your head. Slide 1. Expel half boat. Inhale, slide 2. Expel half boat. Inhale, slide 3. Expel half boat. Maybe without boat. Wait. Inhale 4. Expel half boat. Inhale 5. Expel half boat. Inhale 6. Exhale half boat. Inhale 7. Exhale half boat. Inhale 8. Exhale half boat. Inhale 9. Exhale half boat. Inhale 10. Exhale half boat. Now turn around, come in slope, and from there come on all fours like this. If you are unable to do all fours, you can do knee push-ups also. Now from slope, let's start sliding with me. 1 slide, 2nd slide, inside 3, inside 4, out 5, out 6, inside, inside, out, out, inside, inside, out, and out. Now from here, come in mountain. Take a deep breath in mountain. Expel your breath. Now for next round of this, take your right leg up. Inhale, exhale. Bring your right leg forward. Inhale and sit. Now again inhale, take your left hand up. Exhale, right hand up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Now after this exhalation, come into Ashwasanchalan. Now either change your leg or slide in this posture. Inhale 1, inhale 2, inhale 3, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7, inhale 8, inhale 9, inhale 10. Bring the right leg forward in Ashwasanchalan. Keep the back leg knee on the mat and come into Anjaneyasana. 1. Inhale. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. Exhale. Put your palms on the mat. Look forward. Inhale. Exhale. Come in mountain. Now, inhale, raise your left leg up at the back. Expel your breath here. Inhale and start bringing this left leg forward, sit in pigeon. Now you are seated in pigeon. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Put your palms down. Inhale here. And expel your breath, come into Ashwasanchalan. Start changing your leg or slide your leg. Let's start. Inhale 1, inhale 2, inhale 3, inhale 4, inhale 5, inhale 6, inhale 7, inhale 8, inhale 9, inhale 10. Now inhale, bring your left leg forward, put the back leg knee on the mat and come into Anjaneyasana. Inhale 1, exhale 1. Inhale 2, exhale 2. Inhale 3, exhale 3. Put your palms on the mat. Again slide your leg. Let's start, or change your leg, or stay into side stretch. 3 options. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your right leg forward, turn around with left knee on the mat, come into Pali grip. Hold weights, get into Pali grip. With or without weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parallel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come back. Again change your legs in Ashwa Sanchalan or slide and slope. Let's start, or side stretch on other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now bring your right knee on the mat. Take your left leg out, come into Pali grip. With or without weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Parallel arms. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your weights down. If you're carrying it, come into mountain. Take a deep breath in mountain. Expel your breath. Slowly put your tummy on the mat. Come into Dhanurasana. Hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Slowly come into inverted board pose, that is Superman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your hands back. Start around the world with or without weights. Exhale 1. Inhale 2. Exhale 3. Inhale 4. Exhale 5. Inhale 6. Exhale 7. Inhale 8. Exhale 9. Inhale 10. Keep your weights down. Come in Sarpasana. Again I'll repeat, if you have hernia, cyst or fibroid, then please do not raise your legs in Sarpasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Legs down, palms down. Inhale up in Cobra. Expel your breath here. Without breath, turn around in tabletop. From tabletop, gently put your hip on the mat. Raise yourself in half boat pose. In this round, I am doing it without weights. Let's start. Hands above your head if you have good strong back, otherwise front. Inhale 1, exhale boat. Inhale 2, exhale boat. Inhale 3, exhale boat. Inhale 4, exhale boat. Inhale 5, exhale boat. Inhale 6, exhale boat. Inhale 7, exhale. Inhale 8, exhale. Inhale 9, exhale. Inhale 10, exhale. Now turn around and come in all fours, or maybe slope, or maybe plan. I am doing all fours. Your knees are up. Let's start. Slide in and out. 1 out, 2 out, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2. Expel 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 3, 4. Come in mountain.